keyboard of the calculator, the keyboard buttons of the calculator. Hold down the control key and drag this button, then drop it. You will get a copy. So this one will be number 2, this one 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. So we have just finished the keyboard almost. So right now we will change the numbers. So we select this one, we will change which property. It's the text property, of course. This will be number 2. Click on this button and make it number 3, and so on. Number 4, number 5, number 6. Sorry about that, but there is no faster way that I know of. Yeah. 8, 9, and 0. Now if you come back and check your calculator, it will look like this. Now if we press play or run, you'll see your calculator like this. And right now pressing the buttons doesn't do anything. So I guess it's time for us to write some code so that when we press those buttons you will get some numbers displayed right here. And that's quite easy actually. Okay, before I start writing code, we will check something. When you click on any control, if you check the properties window, you will find there is a name of property. This name of property actually helps you communicate with the control while the program is running. The programmer or the program knows about this property and use it to access the control, but the end user doesn't know about it at all. So this one is actually button 1, as you can see, and the next to it is button 2 and button 3, and so on. Let me try to make things a little bit clear. Okay, and let me remove this one, Solution Explorer. And okay, so right now everything's appearing to you. When I click on this one, come on, okay, this is the name of the display, which is text box 1. Yeah, and this one is button 1, button 2, button 3, 4, 5, and so on. Actually, we want a little bit meaningful names. Although they don't matter, you can use the same names, but giving a meaningful names will help you remember the variables quickly and will prevent you from making mistakes. So for now, for the text box, we will give it the name LCD. For number 1, we will give it the name N1. Sorry, N1. Next one should be N2. This one N3. This one N4. This one N5. N6. N7. N8. N9. And 0. Or as I told you before, you can leave the variable names as they are. They won't affect anything as long as you don't make mistakes and you don't have to remember them a lot. Anyway, So after remembering all these and changing the names for all those variables, we will start writing code for everyone. So how should the calculator work? When we press number, all the numbers here will be shifted to the left and the numbers added to the right of it. So we will use something like that. Let's double click on number 1. We will use double click to go to the editor. Now what are we getting is as follows. We get into this code window, and here it is saying private sub and one click. What does that mean? Private sub means it is a subroutine or a procedure, and this one will be used to handle the click event on the control that's called N1. Well, actually N1 click is not what explain things here. It is just a name. You can write any name right here. It doesn't matter. What matters is if you just move to the right, you'll find this part handles N1.click. Well, your control, which is a command button, can through a number of events, and those events can be accessed or can be fired on by clicking or double clicking, dragging things, dropping things, and many other events, many other factors can trigger them. So handles mean that this procedure will be used to process the event. So N1 dot, you can see all those events are related to N1 command button, but you won't concern about all these events. You will be concerned with very few of them. For command buttons, you will be concerned with the click event. Okay, so now we write the code as follows. The display, we rename it to LCD, and we are going to change what it is displaying, and we accessed that before from the text property. This is why we use .text equal. We will use the alt text and add number 1 to the right of it. Okay, to test this one, we just press the run button just to see how it works, and press 1. You can see with every click we are getting a number. We'll repeat the same procedure for number 2, like this: lcd.text equal lcd.text and 2, and so on. So I will copy this part just to make things faster. 3, 4, 4, and this is not the best way to program a calculator. Actually, you can write much smaller code, but this one will help you just understand things and practice them a little bit. And this one code for 7, B7, and 8. Finally 9. And the last one, this is it, 0. Now let's save our work. We forget to save the work, so just hit the save button. Okay, it's important to save our work, otherwise if we have any problem we lose all this. And press play to see how it works. Now for this window, 1, 2, 3, 5, 9, 3, and everything is working perfectly fine, as we can see.